If you've been locked out of your Wells Fargo account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the official Wells Fargo website using a secure internet connection. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the process of resetting your login credentials. Step 3. Enter your information. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After submitting your information, follow the on-screen instructions. You may receive a verification code via email or text message to confirm your identity. Step 5. Create new credentials. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Wells Fargo account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.